Hi there, my name's Phil Reed. We're going to take you on a tour of Pizza Hut Australia today. Just quickly before we do that, just some highlights about the brand. Over the last 4 years, myself, the management team have transformed the business. We've been the fastest growing brand here in Australia, and currently we're the fastest growing pizza brand in the country. We've transformed the business. We do an extra 48,000 transactions every single week. That means we're delivering great customer experience and we're delivering lots of value for our franchise partners and also for our great customers as well. Today, the tour will show you everything we do in our restaurants. So let me hand over to my colleague, Nathan Tillett.
Thanks, Phil. Well, welcome to our Pizza Hut store. Now, this is a super delivery store. So this store has a rather large dining area, but the majority of our stores are delivery focused stores. They have 1 or 2 tables in the foyer. Now, as you can see, this is our foyer area. We have our digital menu boards where the customers can place their orders. But as a business, we focus on mostly digital sales and then we deliver to the customer. Now, we're also rolling out alcohol across the country. Now, this can be delivered to your customers as well. Now, come with me. I'm going to show you out the back of the Pizza Hut store. Now, this is the most important area in our kitchen. We make fresh dough every day in store. So as you can see behind me, the team members here rolling the dough, cutting the dough, and then we make this fresh every single day. Then it goes in the proofer and it's proof ready for you to eat. Come with me, we're gonna check out the make table. Welcome to the second area in our kitchen. This is our make table. Now here at Pizza Hut, we have a really simple model to follow. We make every pizza fresh to order. Our ingredients come pre-cut for you. And we also use a cup-based system so that our pizzas are consistent and then the usage is consistent as well. Now you can see behind me, we've got a team member here making a pizza right now. You can hear the oven running behind me and we're gonna cut across and do the cutting of a fresh pizza. This is the third area in our kitchen. As I said before, we have a simple model. The pizza comes out of the oven, we cut it, we put it in the box and we send it out to our customers. Really straightforward, really easy. Now, here at Pizza Hut, we pride ourselves on the digital side of our business. Now, we don't just have a GPS system that tracks our orders. We have a kitchen management system. Now, this system manages the orders from the minute the customer places the order to the minute the customer receives the order. It makes sure that it goes in the oven at the exact time when we have a driver ready to come and pick up the pizza as soon as it comes out of the oven. Our goal here at Pizza Hut is to make it as simple for you as possible. The system does all the work for you. It tells you which driver to allocate it to, when to allocate it, and it even gives them the map on how to get to the customer's house. Now, we want to make sure that every customer gets the freshest and the hottest pizza that they possibly can. So we use this system to make sure that we give our customers the best experience they could possibly have. Thank you so much for being with us today and having a quick tour of a Pizza Hut store. We look forward to meeting you in the future.